when the reborn Acura NSX debuted. Some claimed it to be overly complicated, saying that Acura had killed the essence of what once made the original car so great. The hybrid powertrain, the all-wheel drive setup, and the hyper-exotic styling all seemed out of character to those forgetting that NSX stands for New Sports Car Experimental. Presumably, the purists were happier when Acura launched the NSX GT3 race version, which comes without the electric motor and with rear-wheel drive. Now, Acura is putting that car up for sale for a price nearly as extreme as the car's aero package. Acura announced this week it would be making the race car globally available to custom racing teams for about $543,000. 465 euros, before a $100 mandatory spare parts package. That's even more expensive than the Mercedes-AMG GT3 and more than double the cost of a Mercedes-AMG GT4. But the teams who buy this wild child will be getting one hell of a vehicle. Since it was introduced, it has already won 2 races in the IMSA's WeatherTech Sports Car Championship, and it has several top 5 finishes elsewhere, including 5th place at its first race ever, the 24 Hours of Daytona. Acura NSX GT3. The GT3, which sends power from a twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6 engine to the rear wheels via a 6-speed sequential racing gearbox, will be available to customers with the raw look of a bare carbon fiber body. The GT3's chassis and engine are built right here in the United States at the Performance Manufacturing Center, PMC, in Marysville, Ohio, as they share plenty of architecture with the production NSX. Final assembly takes place at JAS Motorsport in Italy.